when we make ice cream, it's a lot different than making Italian water ice. Ice cream has to have air in it. It's an ingredient of the product. And what that's called is overrun. The amount of overrun that's in the ice cream is the air that we've added to the ice cream when we produce it. In a soft serve machine, you're going to run about 50 to 60% overrun. In a pressurized machine. In a gravity machine, your overrun will fluctuate from probably 25 to 45% overrun. You don't get consistent overrun. In a batch machine, you can run all the way up to 100% overrun if you want. However, for me, I like around an 80–85% overrun ice cream. It's a better quality ice cream. So that means for every gallon I put in the machine, if I'm running an 80% overrun, I'm going to get 1.8 gallons by volume. That's what overrun does. It increases the volume of the product by incorporating the air in the product as we freeze it. With a batch freezer, I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to add some of my Oreo cookies right into my machine. So what I want to do is I want to figure whatever half of the Oreo cookies I want to use, I'm going to put half of them in to this machine and the other half I'll add when I'm extracting the product from the machine. By adding these cookies into the product, the taste is going to be fantastic. To freeze the product down, it's going to take about 6 or 7 minutes, and then we're going to whip air into it for about a minute. And how we do that is we shut the machine from freeze to dasher, and we just run the dasher for about 1 minute.